Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Sometime back I had started this easy egg breakfast ideas series. So today's recipe is one such breakfast. We are going to make something with eggs and sausages and bread, of course. So let's make it in a nice presentable way so that children get attracted and fall in love with it. Shall we proceed? Here are the ingredients. I have taken 3 eggs, 2 slices of bread, they are large size, and some chili flakes, crushed black pepper, salt to taste, and some chicken sausages. Then we have pizza seasoning and oil. We'll be using ingredients as required. You can also see the list in the description box. Now slice out the sausages, make thin slices. You can use any sausages available or whatever you like. I think 2 should be sufficient, 1 sausage per slice is enough. Set them aside. Now we will make the egg mixture. Break the eggs. I have taken a wider plate, deep and wide plate, which is easier to dip the bread slices. Now add salt as required, about 2 pinches of chili flakes, 2 pinches of black pepper. You can add more if you like. About quarter teaspoon of pizza seasoning. You can also use mixed herbs if you want, fresh or dry, whatever you like. Whisk them together. Now the mixture is ready. Take the bread slices and cut out the middle portion using a sharp knife. I have used multigrain bread with seeds. It's really a very healthy one. Lots of seeds are there, as you can see. Now separate this piece, leaving the outer edge intact. Same way we have removed from the second slice also. Here we go. Set them aside. Now heat a pan and spray the oil on it. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just spoon a little bit of oil all over. Heat the pan and reduce the flame. Now first we are going to dip these edges and place them on the hot pan. After placing these, you can reduce the heat. Now line these sausage slices neatly in between. This is really a lovely idea. Kids are going to be delighted to eat a French toast like this with sausages. Now this is done. Now we will take the egg mixture and pour little on them, on the sausage slices, about 3 to 4 tablespoons until they are covered well. Now we'll increase the flame a bit and allow these to cook. If the pan is larger, you can do both at the same time. Now take these bread pieces which we cut out, place them on top, pressing them a bit so that they get fixed in nicely. Now pour the remaining egg mixture on them. Divide it equally on both the slices. So for 2 large slices we took 3 eggs. It's lovely to make different varieties of eggs each time. Variation is always good. Now time to flip the slice. The lower part would have been done by now. Look at this. Lovely. So pretty they look. Now cook the other part, fry them until they are done. Nice and crispy. You can also replace these sausage slices with cherry tomatoes or boiled and shredded chicken. You can think of many ideas and create a new dish each time. This is done perfectly. Dish it out and you can enjoy this with tomato ketchup. Lovely breakfast is ready. You can serve them as it is, or if you wish you can cut them into 2. Don't they look so inviting? Here they are ready. You can enjoy them with some nice fresh orange juice, mango juice, whatever you like. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure your kids would love these. Do share the feedback with me and also check out other recipes, egg breakfast ideas, and try them out as well. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.